Good morning, day 96. It's about 6:45. I've been hiking for just a couple minutes. My hiking partners left about 10 minutes before me. Slept okay last night. And just a teeny bit dehydrated. I've got about a cup and a half of electrolyte drink to get me through the next 3.5 miles. Had some cold soaked oatmeal for breakfast that I had started soaking at lunchtime. No coffee. That's it for the water situation. The campsite was nice. Sprinkled a little bit during the night, but not too bad. And now we are going to either go 8.5 or 12.5 miles today. Hopefully 12.5. Just have to see how the terrain presents itself. Got a little more ridge walking here up on top of Bemis Mountain, and then we're going to make a steep descent down to some water, and then a steep ascent up, as what happens in Maine. We're having a tough descent this morning. It's very dangerous feeling. Got to this stream about 9:30, so about 3 hours to get down here without water much. And filling up now. Drank a liter and gonna carry a liter up the next hill. It's about 2.5 miles to the next water source. Highway 17. I'm gonna sit down on this bench. It's a loon. That pond is probably where the loon lives. We've been hiking about 9.5 hours, I guess. It's coming up on 4 o'clock, and we've gone 11.5 miles, and there's about 1.5 miles to go to the campsite. It's coming up on 4 o'clock, if I didn't say that already. I'm kind of tired. Not sure what is going on. I just haven't filmed much this afternoon. I got behind my partners, and because I had to dig a cat hole and then filter some water, and when I was rushing to catch up, I tripped on a rock or tripped on a root, and my shoelace caught on it. It actually ripped the shoelace out of the shoe, sort of tore one of the grommets. So then I had to spend some time trying to figure that out. And then I got to climb over this. Privy is right on the AT. So I guess we're at the campsite area. It's about 4:30. See if I can hear Mosey. If I can find a place to put up my tent and find some water. Not necessarily in that order. Down here next to the pond is the water source. You have to push down on that black pipe, and then out comes this water, which smells like sulfur. It doesn't taste all that great. I cooked my dinner with it, and made doing some cold soaking of the oatmeal. And now it's time to go up to my bed. Nice flat area for the tent tonight. Mosey's over there in the woods in his hammock.